Court 1, please start the game. Players for court number 1, please start the game.
Partner ko. Oops.
Iris, sino kakampi mo?
Si Toji, bakit?
Dito sa game.
Kakampi ka?
Mix kami kahit. Mix kami kahit. Prepare ko. Pareho rin ako at inisa ako sa katagilid. Kung sino mabibigay? $10.
Players for court number 7. Jefferson Rivera and Albicino versus Jovinson Villablanca and Erwin Bayani. Court number 7.
Let's start the game at court number 1. Thank you. Chris Caperal, line judge for court 1. Thanks.
Court number 7 players, Jefferson Rivera and Albicino versus Jovinson Villablanca and Erwin Bayani. Please proceed to the court.
GoPro pala to.
Can we get court 1 to start, please? Thank you.
Okay, never mind. Sorry.
Alright. Players for court number 7, Jefferson Rivera and Al Vecino versus Jovinson Villablanca and Erwin Bayani. Please proceed to court number 7.
It's all about the visuals.
The Oblation Badminton Cup would like to thank our sponsors: Prudential, Majestic Immigration Singapore, Ayala Land International Singapore, Smiles Mobile Remittance, Austral Migration Consultancy, and the UP Alumni Association of Singapore. Court 2 line judges, Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Please proceed to court number 2. Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga, you are the line judges for court number 2. Thank you. Once again, calling the line judges for court number 2, Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Calling players Erwin and Jovinson Villablanca.
Satanista University.
Anong school yung black?
Satanista University.
Nakablock din naman si Oble.
Minsan copper, minsan brass.
Hindi mo kasama yung si Matthew?
Hindi. Mamaya siguro mga sumunod.
considering Australia migration by any time? No. Under 45 years old?
Above.
About 44, 43.
No, above.
Above. Why? How about your wife? Your father?
Above.
Also above. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next time tayo din. Sila... Enjoy lang. Si Mario lang ang nape-presyo. Hindi ka na nanalo ah.
Standby players for court number 8. Standby players for court number 8. Edison Celto and Valfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Standby for court number 8. Standby players, court number 5. Court number 5 standby, Erico Lester Patricio and Chris Capiral versus Al Soriano and Abimer Magpayo. Standby for court number 5. Standby players for court number 1, Troy Cadalina and Aljan Mangalas versus Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Polito. Standby court number 1.
Gagaling! Gagaling!
Nasa meeting kayo, no? Wala pa.
Big na to eh. Big na lahat yan. Pero yung lower, nag-start na rin yung nila, second round.
Ah, yan. Ano?
Kapahay na laban.
Standby players, court number 6, Dennis Cayabyab and Jomare Rosales versus Emmanuel Saludo and RJ Magaling. Standby court number 6. Players for court number 8, players for court number 8, Edison Suelto and Valfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Court number 8 players, Edison Suelto and Valfred Orlosa versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Court number 8.
Naglo-lower ka lang.
dati, shuttle daw sabi mo.
Ang support ko lang.
Yung mga, yung ilaw na.
Calling players for court number 1, Troy Catalina and Aljan Mangajas versus Chris Crisostomo and Nicoray Hipolito. Court 1, Troy Catalina and Aljan Mangajas versus Chris Crisostomo and Nicoray Hipolito. Court 1.
Announcing top 8 for women's doubles lower. At number 8, Lynn and Irene Auxilio. At number 7, Teen Sario and Jonah Mendoza, Jonah Elorde, sorry about that. At number 7, Teen Sario and Jonaline Elorde. At number 6, Kathleen Mascarillas and Catherine Lim. At number 5, Karine Monter and Joanna Marie Medel. At number 4, Angel and Daniel Soriano. At number 3, Girly Kawayan and Ivy Agura. At number 2, Vench Buco Sanchez and Lita De Quito. And at rank 1, Dawn and Marian Daet.
Calling players for court number 3. Court number 3, Jomar Cabayao and Romeo Fernandez versus Ernie Soriano and J. Wilson Mendoza. Jomar Cabayao and Romeo Fernandez versus Ernie Soriano and J. Wilson Mendoza. Court number 3.